it's Kitten right here. So, as we all know that the United States of America applied export restrictions on Huawei from purchasing new components. Well, these are used to build network gear and smartphones. It later caused a big loss in business for Huawei in all divisions, especially in the consumer sector. However, Huawei kept on building new devices with what it could gather and kept doing business with global partners in network technologies. And yesterday, Huawei's founder gave a big statement on this matter. Well, in a meeting with the Chinese students and experts that helped the company to solve new technical issues after the US ban, he said that Huawei has successfully replaced 13,000 components banned by the US. Or you can say, the components that were supplied by US once, Huawei replaced them successfully. He said that Huawei has completed the replacement and development of over 13,000 components for its devices after the US restrictions. The company also did the same for 4,000 plus circuit boards over the last 3 years. Well, he further added that Huawei is continuously investing money in research of new technologies since 2019. According to the information, Huawei spent around 23.8 billion US dollars in research and development, and he expects that the company will further increase this amount with growth in the future. Well, he said that the company has built its own management software system Meta ERP with its own operating system, database, and compiler. Interestingly though, the Meta ERP successfully passed the test of application in Huawei's various divisions around the globe and the annual settlement test of Huawei's ladder. So it is indeed a great news that Huawei has replaced 13,000 US made components, and in the future, Huawei phones will be completely US free. So yeah, what do you think about this amazing news? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.